Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I a letter right now. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. He here last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. We to the museum every month. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. She her keys. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. You ever been to Paris? Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. We TV when the lights went out. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. She always late for class. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. They going to the cinema. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. He to work by car. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. She her homework already. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I him yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. They playing when it started to rain. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. She helped me with my project. Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. We friends since childhood. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. The sun in the east. Option B is the correct answer.